Just on site at our latest project. It settled last week, Geograph Bay Road in Dunsborough. The ocean's across the road, town's that way. We're going to be building 4 stunning, unique villas. Can't wait for this project. Super excited.
Next site?
I need a coffee first.
All right, let's do that.
Eagle Bay?
Let's go.
Okay, I'm driving.
I'm driving. I'm not driving this thing. All right, site check-in at Eagle Bay. Good day for it.
Yeah, the boys are ripping in, getting stuck into it.
They certainly are. Al fresco roof is down, kitchen is out, and the boys have completely demoed the master suite. So we're getting ready for pre-lay.
These switches are really cool. I like those.
Yes. It felt a bit old and nostalgic, a bit heritage.
Just the quality of it though, like the quality of that and the quality of the Fawcett and Strowman product, like you feel the weight of that. This is what we had in the Stealth Farmhouse.
Yeah.
Love their products and love the fact that these are, you know, handmade. Where are they from?
Spain.
Spain.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're beautiful. Yeah, really good. They're going to really suit this house. It's coming together.
Coming together.
So we're just coming up to a house that we built 8 years ago. This was our first house that we built down here, the Stealth Farmhouse. It brings back such fond memories of that house. And we're just coming up to one of our sites now. We'll go check it out and see what the boys are up to. Hey mate, how you going?
Hi. How good does this look? How cool is this?
It's the master.
This is the bed. This is what you're going to wake up to in the morning.
And out to that view.
That view.
Look at that dam.
Holy moly.
Pretty cool.
And then this is the ensuite.
Yeah. See, the bath gets such a good view, doesn't it?
Bath gets a great
Sitting
view.
in the bath here.
This is kitchen. And we'll selectively trim.
Yeah, trim the...
Now that we know where the frames are and the viewpoints, we can really open that up.
Yeah. I was always conscious of, you know, was it going to be big enough? But now you're seeing the form, you know, come together.
Yeah. Oh, I think it's a great outcome for the area and having that courtyard space. It's ample room.
Like north facing, hey?
Yeah, all north facing. And look, you can just see how much light.
We're
almost in winter, and how much light is going to be hitting this slab and warming up the room in winter. Yeah, I'm really happy with that.
Yeah, it's a very generous sized room.
Insert dining table, big long dining table here.
Again, just the outlook that you get from here. See, these doors open straight out onto the pool, onto the alfresco area, hey?
Yes.
Straight out to here.
Then there'll be a fence for the pool.
Yeah.
That you'll be able to walk out here to the outdoor entertaining area. And then these are steps that will go down to the garden.
We did the fire pit and that down there.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah. Beautiful. Nice.